Good morning students. In this video we learn surds or radicals and types of surds. Welcome to my YouTube channel. First of all, before concepts, rational numbers and irrational numbers. What is rational numbers? A number can express in the p by q form. That numbers are called rational numbers. A number cannot express in the p by q form. That numbers are irrational numbers. Your irrational number is the decimal right in the decimal form. That decimal form is terminating decimals or non-terminating recurring decimals. For example, 4.3 or 3.5 bar. So terminating decimals or non-terminating recurring decimals. The irrational numbers q dash not expressed in the p by q form or in the decimal form non-terminating non-recurring. So for example 4.01, 001, 00001 and continuous. This type of numbers are called irrational numbers. So surds is also one of the irrational numbers. For example 4 is written in the product of 2 square. Okay, 4 is equal to 2 square. Next one 5. How to write the power of 2? No. So here 4 is root 4 equal to root of 2 square. So 2 cancel. The value is 2. 2 is a rational number. Okay. So 5. So root 5. Root 5 is written in the any power of 2. 5 is not expressed in the any number power of 2. So therefore root 5 is a surd. Root 5 is a surd. Another example 8. 8 is equal to 2 cube. So third root of 8 equal to third root of 2 cube. So 3 cancel. So value is equal to 2 is a rational number. But root 8. So root 8 equal to root of not written in the express in the power of 2. Any number power of 2. So this type of numbers are called surds. So what is surd? Here observe. N is a natural number or positive integer. N is a natural number or positive integer and greater than 1 and greater than 1. So and A is a rational number. A is a rational number. A is not expressed in the power of b any other rational number b power of n. A is not expressed any rational number b power of n. So nth root of a is called surd. Nth root of a is called surd. Okay students, n is greater than 1 and positive integer or natural number. A is a rational number. A not express any number any other rational number power of n. So nth root of a is called surd. Okay. All surds are irrational numbers. Surds are find the value that is also non-terminating non-recurring decimals. So definition: if n is a positive integer or natural number and greater than 1 and a is a rational number and greater than 0, this is also is not the nth power of any other rational number, then nth root of a is called a surd or nth order. A surd of nth order. Here if a is a positive rational number which cannot express the nth power of some rational number, the rational number nth root of a is called surd or radical. Surd's other name is radicals. Okay. So nth root of a is called surd. Nth root of a, here nth root, this is the symbol of the surds, nth root. Here n is called order of the radical. N is called order of the surd. A is called radicand. A is called radicand. So observe here, nth root of a is a surd because a is not expressed in the any other rational number b power of n. So nth root of a is equal to nth root of b power of n. Okay. So next one. Here a is a radicand. N is called order of the surd. Okay students. This is the definition. Next one. Types of first one. Quartic surds. A surd of order is 2 is called quartic surds. For example, root 2, root 5, root 11. Okay. Here the degree order is 2. 2 not right compulsory. So order 2 is called, the surds are called quartic surds. Next 3 cubic surds. The surd order is 3, that is called cubic surd. Third root of 5, third root of 7, third root of 9. Okay. So biquadratic surds. A surd of order 4 is called biquadratic surds. Fourth root of 6, fourth root of 7. Next one, fifth root of 9, fifth root of 11. These are fifth power, fifth order surds. Okay students, quartic surds. Degree order 2 is called quartic surds. Order 3 is called cubic surds. Order 4 is called biquadratic surds. Order 5 is called fifth order of surds. Fifth order surds. So next one, nth root of 7. So this order is n. Nth root of 7. Okay. These are surds. Next one. Types of surds. First one is simple surd or monomial surd. Simple surd, other name is monomial surd. A surd which consists of a single term is called simple or monomial surd. A surd which contains only one term, that is called simple or monomial surd. Okay, root 7, third root of 5, fourth root of 9. Order is anyway number. So only one term, that is called simple surd. Mixed surd. A surd which has a rational factor other than unity, the other factor being irrational, is called a mixed surd. For example, a is a rational number, root b is a surd. So a plus root b, a minus root b, or a, sometimes a into root b is also mixed surd. For example, 2 plus root 3, 5 minus third root of 7, 4 into root 5. So one is the rational number, one is the irrational number. So a plus b root b, a minus root b, sometimes a into root b is also mixed surd. Pure surds. A surd which has unity only as rational factor, the other factor being irrational, is called a pure surd. Here once again observe a into root b. So we know that in algebra 3 into x, 3 into x, 3 is the numerical factor, x is the algebraic factor. Here a into root b, a is called rationalizing factor, root b is the irrationalizing factor. Okay. Here 3 into x square, 3 is the numerical factor, x square is the algebraic factor. Sometimes only x square, here the numerical factor is only 1. Here also root 3. Example, 1 is the rationalizing factor. So pure surd means a surd which has unity only one, rationalizing factor is only 1. That surds are called pure surds. For example, root 5, root 29, root 35, root 55. These are pure surds. Other than one rationalizing factor, that surds are called mixed surds. For example, 3 root 5, this is the mixed surd because 3 is the rationalizing factor. Okay students. Next one. Compound surds. Simple surds, only one term. Compound surds means a surd which is the sum of difference of two or more surds is called compound surd. Observe here, two or sum or difference of two or more surds. In the algebra, that is called expression, two or more terms in the positive or negative symbol. Here compound surd, two or more surds combined with plus or minus, sum or difference. That is an expression consisting of the sum or difference of two or more surds, simple surds. Sum or difference of rational and a surd is called compound surd. Okay students. Compound surd means two or more surds some are difference, that is called compound surd. Binomial surds, so only two terms, that is called the compound surd consisting of only two terms, that is called binomial surds. Trinomial, three terms. Polynomial, more terms, two or more terms, that is called polynomial surds. Next one, like surds and unlike surds. For example, root 2, root 7, root 2, root 7. In the algebra, 3x square and 5x square, 3x square and 5x square. The algebraic factor is same. The algebraic factor is same. Numerical factor is different. 3 and 5 different. X square is both are same. Same variable, same powers. For example, 3x y square and minus 2xy square. These are like terms. These are like terms. Variables same, but their powers also same. Similarly, like surds, their surds degree order is same. Order of the surds is same and radicand is same. That surds are called like surds. Otherwise, unlike surds. For example, root 2 and root 7. These two are quadratic surds. Order is 2 and radicand is different. So this is unlike surds. Unlike surds. Otherwise, 3 into root 2 and 7 into root 2. These are like surds. These are like surds. Radicand is same. Degree is same and radicand is same. These are like surds. Another example. 4 root 2, 4 root 2 and 5 third root of 2. Third root of 2. These are unlike surds because this is the 4 root 2 is the quadratic surd. 5 into 3 root 2 is the cubic surd. So radicand is same but order is different. So these are unlike surds. Okay. Write the definition. Two or more surds having the same irrational factor. Irrational factor. So same order and same radicand. Okay. Same order and same radicand are known as similar or like surds. Otherwise, they are called dissimilar or unlike surds. Dissimilar or unlike surds. Okay, students. Irrational factor is same. In algebra, algebraic factor same. Here, irrational factor is same. Means same order and same radicand. Okay, that are like surds. Otherwise, unlike surds. For example, root 2, 5 root 2, 3 root 2, 11 root 2. These are like surds. Minus 3 root 3, 4 root 7, minus 11 root 9. These are unlike surds. Thank you, students. Like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel.